Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a salad I make on the keto diet that's almost a perfect keto meal. Let's just get to it. So the first thing to go in is the lettuces. Baby spinach. I do 2 ounces of baby spinach. Next ingredient is baby kale. I put about anywhere from 3/4 of an ounce to an ounce of baby kale. The last thing is baby arugula, and I'm almost out. It doesn't take much of this, half an ounce, and it just adds really good flavor to a salad. So I'm just gonna put whatever I have remaining in here. 1/8 of an ounce, wish I had more. Blue cheese crumbles, so good. And I put an ounce of blue cheese crumbles. Another thing I do every week is I hard boil 1 to 1.5 dozen eggs. And then you got 2 hard boiled eggs. Of course, I keep the dressing in a separate container. This is how you keep your lettuce from getting all wilty and weird and gross and all of that. I'm using this Nannes Vinaigrette dressing. There's no sugar in this. There's 1 gram of carbohydrate. I usually use blue cheese dressing. I do 2 tablespoons. That's not really a lot. It's heavy calories, so I don't want to use too much of the blue cheese. And once you add the other oils to it, the flavors really come through. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the Nannes Vinaigrette, and I just put it in my little salad dressing cup. Now I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then the one that you all know about, infamous as it was, I haven't had a problem since that first video. Be careful if you eat MCT oil. This stuff is dangerous and it will upset your stomach. And it did me. I did a full tablespoon. Start out with half a tablespoon or less. There's your warning. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of MCT oil in this. Mostly on the keto diet, when you're in ketosis and your energy is coming from your ketones, MCT oil is a really great way for your body to break that down, turn it into ketones, and give you energy. Thomas DeLauer. I just really like his videos. They're really informative. There's tons of science behind what he's saying. Anyway, check out his videos if you're following this diet. One of my best friends just started the keto diet about a week ago. He's had exactly the same results I had. He's lost almost 10 pounds in the first week. He says his energy is amazing. He feels great. When you get in ketosis, you notice a difference with your energy levels. If you do this diet, if you know someone who does this diet, or you have any comments, please leave them below, and I'd love to answer them. And have a nice day. See you on the next video.